If you want to get a piano gloss finish on wood with that incredible mill-pond depth, you'll need a bit of know-how and the right products and tools for the job. Your best option is to use a polyester base coat for clear finishes, as it can be burnished to a mirror finish or overcoated with a high gloss polyurethane lacquer. For black, white or coloured finishes, use a white polyester primer base coat followed by polyurethane top coat and finish off by the burnishing method. It's worth mentioning though that polyesters have a very short pot life of only 45 minutes, so they can be challenging to work with, but if you can work quickly, it's definitely the best choice of product, as 3 coats of polyester will give more depth and cover the grain faster than 8 coats of polyurethane base coat. So best get your skates on. You can use a polyurethane base coat if you need to for whatever reason, but you'll be making more work for yourself. If you do decide to use polyurethane base coats or primers, you'll need to overcoat with a high gloss polyurethane lacquer for a clear finish. For coloured finishes, use a polyurethane primer followed by a polyurethane top coat and then burnish. Just make sure you apply plenty of coats though, otherwise you might burn through the paint when you're polishing. We wouldn't recommend using any water-based products, they just can't produce the same superior level of high gloss finish. Once you've got your base coat and top coats on and they are fully dry, you can get burnishing. In other words, to get a high gloss finish with polyester and polyurethane, you'll need to polish or buff your newly coated surfaces like you would a car. But first things first, work out any orange peel and shading to get that surface as flat as possible. We recommend using the 3M Fast Cut Extreme compound with an electric polisher and the green compound pads. This will give you the flat base you need, and you can remove any finer imperfections using 3M's extra fine compound and the yellow waffle pads. Finally, get yourself some Ultra Finer from 3M and use it with the blue polishing pads to achieve the final high gloss finish. And that's it. We supply everything you need to get a high gloss wood finish here at Ultrimax, so if you need a hand with anything, please give us a shout.